Can anybody explain this? Alexa, what is today's date?
Today is Wednesday, October 9th.
Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 5:29 p.m.
Alexa, what is a hurricane?
The noun, hurricane, can have a few meanings. 1. A violent, tropical, cyclonic storm of the western North Atlantic, having wind speeds of or in excess of 72 miles per hour.
Alexa,
32
stop. Alexa, are there any current hurricanes?
According to an Alexa Answers contributor, there are no tropical cyclones in the Atlantic at this time.
Alexa, tell me about Hurricane Helene. Alexa, tell me about Hurricane Milton. Alexa, where's Hurricane Milton? Alexa, what time is it?
It's 5:30 p.m.
Alexa, are there any hurricanes in Florida right now?
There aren't any Floridian current tropical cyclones on October 9th, 2024.
Alexa, tell me about Hurricane Milton. Alexa, where is Hurricane Milton?
How much value does Alexa add to your life? Please rate from 0 to 10, where 0 is not valuable at all and 10 is extremely valuable.
Alexa, tell me about Hurricane Milton. So I don't know why it won't answer the question or why it won't say anything about a hurricane being in Florida right now, but it's just all very weird. Alexa, are there any hurricanes near Florida today?
There aren't any current tropical cyclones near Florida.
Alexa, is Hurricane Milton going to hit Florida?
I don't know that.
Alexa, where is Hurricane Milton? Alexa, tell me about Hurricane Helene. Alexa, tell me about Hurricane Milton. Well, there you go. It don't want to talk about it. It's very strange.